Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. In this video you will learn to cook mutton dish at home. Let's get started without wasting your time. The cumin seeds, red pepper powder, turmeric powder, hot spice and coriander seeds powder, salt. Okay guys, more things as you are watching in the video, that is grated tomatoes and grated ginger. You also need mutton because we are going to cook a mutton dish. So without mutton, how is it possible to complete our video? Okay guys, the other things, garlic and onions as you are watching in the video, and water, mutton, because we are going to boil our mutton. So put all these things in a pressure cooker and on it. Okay friends, mutton has boiled as you are watching. Add ginger and then add oil. Cook this ginger guys up to a little time until it got brown, a golden color. Okay, now add grated tomatoes, crushed tomatoes in it. Give a little time for cooking of tomatoes and grated ginger. Now put all the spices into it. Mix well. Okay guys, now your dish base is ready. It is a paste in which mutton will be cooked. Now add mutton, 1 kg mutton. Keep in mind friends, this mutton is boiled, as I already told you in the beginning of the video. We boiled mutton in the presence of garlic and onions. Now we are putting that boiled mutton into this. Mix well. Oh, looking very nice. Very nice aroma. Wait a little until your paste, your base, mix with your boiled mutton. Okay guys, now add a little quantity of soup. As I have already told you that we have boiled mutton, and we put boiled mutton into it, but there is soup over there, so we will add little soup, and the soup is also a mutton soup, into it to make a little curry, and we will give it time for cooking, more cookings that will be tasty as you are watching in the video. Okay guys, your mutton dish is ready. It's very simple. Now add some coriander, green coriander, crushed farm into it. This will create a great aroma and will give great taste to your mutton dish. Your dish is ready. Add into a plate and eat it with rice or chapatis or with any other thing. This is guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit nearby bell icon so that you can get the latest upcoming videos notification. See you in next video guys. Bye bye.